is what it looks like. Some of you, great exercise, love it, heart rate went up, it's full on. So, common errors. Not turning all the way around. So, you've got to make sure they turn here, turn there, turn here, turn there. Another common error. Look at how far my feet are apart as I go down to the bottom of the pool. So firstly, my knees are wide apart, not really lifting up. The way I teach is I want them to turn all the way around, their knees have to come together. And then they will jump more from one side to the other. The other thing that you want to do is make sure that they turn their head. They look at that side of the pool, then they quickly turn and look at that side of the pool. The head position is important because it helps with directing the rest of the movement pattern. It's a bit like spotting, you know, ballerinas when they spin around they spot one spot, so they, one, don't get too busy, but also so that they know where they are in place. So same thing here, I say find a spot on either side of the pool and look at it as you turn around. I also say jump on one side to the other, so lift up out of the water. They understand that they need to project themselves up to change direction. And that's why this is such a hard exercise, cardiovascular-wise, because you're using that Newton's law of action, constantly changing the inertia, changing the moving objects. You're here, then you're there, then you're here, then you're there. And that's what makes it such a great exercise, especially in this sort of viscous environment. So, you don't really need to modify it. I think it's just one of those exercises that you want to get people to work hard with. Out, up, out, up, out, up, out. Try and bring the knees together. And that's this week's Aqua. Demonstrating the side-to-side kick on land with a single dumbbell requires a little bit of effort and a little bit of balance as well. So I'm just going to move the frame out of my way. We are going to use this a little bit to demonstrate, but you will have to start with just you and the floor and your own weight. So you have to push out, push out, push out, push out. So how do you teach this as an Aqua instructor? Very, very, very first thing you've got to do is turn your own head. So if you're looking at your class, you won't get the same response with that full body turn. You want to show that 180-degree turn. So make sure that you're looking here and looking there, and find a spot that you can focus your attention on either side of the pool. The next thing that you've got to think about is lifting the leg up, so it doesn't look like this, which sort of doesn't look very energetic or enthusiastic. So this takes a little bit of practice, a little bit, about lifting the leg up high enough, you have to drop the body low enough so that it looks like a decent kick. Now, you can't on land demonstrate the big jump that you do in the water, and that's where the Aqua frame becomes very useful. So I'm going to flip it around. So this is how I teach to my class. I demonstrate that move, and I'll say, I really want you to bring both your knees to your chest as you kick from one side to the other. I want you to jump up out of the water. And as you can see in the frame, it makes it very, very easy to demonstrate that knee tuck action that you want them to achieve as they go from one side to the other. Otherwise, you're going to have to do something pretty amazing, propulsive, to get off the tiles or whatever surface you're working on, and I think it's a bit dangerous. So using the frame makes it really easy. If you don't have a frame, you can use a chair. Yeah, it's okay. It's alright. It's awkward. You're going to go here, and then go here, and then go here. And then you need to stand up and indicate that they need to jump up, to lift themselves up, to flip themselves from one side to the other. So you need to use emotive words, big arm gestures to get them going where you want them to go. So it's not ideal. But of course, if you don't have an Aqua frame, that's your next best option. So energetic move, again, focus on demonstrating 3 or 4 really good ones, and then you can focus more on lifting the leg up, on turning the head, positioning the shoulders to face the side of the room, pulling both knees up, and notice how I did that, so pull up both knees up, so then you tuck up and you lift up out of the water. So you're using all those sorts of, it's almost sign language movement patterns to get your participants to understand how to achieve that move with enough enthusiasm and force to get your workout. And that's this week's Aqua tip.